Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to turn on dark mode in Webull. To enable dark mode in Webull is super easy. First of all, open up the Webull application on your mobile device and then make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu option, tap on the settings button. Now once you open up settings, go ahead and look for the theme option and tap on it. Inside theme, tap on dark. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable dark mode in Webull application. The interface should immediately switch to dark mode, providing a darker background that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. You can also choose the black option as well if you'd like to make it even more darker. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.